subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing color changing card trick. What's so good about this technique is it is very visual as well as it ends up clean. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is called the Cardini Change or the Blink Change, and this can be used to find any spectator selection. So if your spectator selects a playing card, for example, let's say the Queen of Hearts, what you have to do is you have to control the Queen of Hearts to the top of the deck, and after that you have to do the color change. And if you don't know how to control any card to the top of the deck, I actually have a tutorial for controlling any playing card to the top of the deck, and the link to that tutorial is given in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. And after controlling the card to the top of the deck, you're going to do the color change. So now after controlling the card, let's move on to the technique. First of all, what you are going to do is you're going to do a double lift. Double lift is a technique in which you actually turn over two cards as one, and it looks like that you have actually turned over just one card, but in reality you have actually turned two cards as one. If you don't know how to do a double lift, then I've actually provided a tutorial for this double lift, and the link to that tutorial is given in the description box. So after you have done a double lift, you are ready for the color change. What you're going to do is you're going to hold the deck just like this, with the thumb over here and with all the other fingers over here. And what you're going to do is, for this color change, is just this move. You're actually keeping your index finger over here, you're moving your middle finger and your ring finger away, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to press down over here on this portion of the card with your pinky, and you're actually going to push it down to the side. Okay, now it looks like this when you actually do it with your pinky. So the card actually comes to the side, and it happens when you are actually doing like this. So this pulling and this thing happens almost at the same time, just like this, and it looks like that the card has changed. Now remember guys that you should not want these fingers to be spread open, because if these fingers are open just like this, then your spectator might be able to get a peek that the original card you have showed to them is right now over here. So what you are going to do is you're going to keep your fingers closed even after doing like this. So what you are going to do at this point is like this. So your fingers are closed and your spectators won't know that you have actually pulled that card to the side. You're not going to do this move at their eye level, because that is the wrong angle. What you're going to do is more down to about the height of your waist. Okay, you're going to keep the hand over there, and after that you're going to just do this move. Then your spectators won't see these fingers moving too, and then the illusion looks more perfect. So right now you are in this position, right, and the card is over here, so it is in a nasty position. You can't move your hand away from over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab over here with your middle finger and your index finger right over here on the front side of the deck, and with your thumb on the back side of the deck. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate the deck, and as you rotate the deck, what you are doing is you're actually pulling down this card to the entire bottom of the deck just like this while you are rotating, and you're just squaring this up with the bottom card, and then you're rotating just like this. So if you actually look from the side, it would look like this. So you have this card like over here, then you're going to just spin the deck just like this, and as you do that, the card has actually squared up. So if I can give you the bottom view, you will understand what is actually happening. Like this, so the card comes to the side just like this, and then while I'm rotating the deck or spinning the deck, I'm just doing like this. So this is how this card color change is done. First you do this move, keep your fingers closed, then you actually spin the deck and square the other card to the bottom of this deck. And that is why this move actually ends up clean, because you have done a double lift from the top of the deck just like this, and after you have done the change, what you're going to do is you're going to put that card to the bottom of the deck. And for that reason, this is the only card that's left faced up, and that card has actually gone to the bottom of the deck face down. So at this point the only faced up card is this one, the Queen of Clubs, and for that reason you also end up clean with just a single card. And if the spectators want to touch this card, you actually give this card to the spectator, and while they inspect this card, what you're going to do is at the same point you're going to do a Charlier cut so that this card goes into the center of the deck. And then when they ask for this deck, you can also give this deck to your spectator, and for that reason your spectator won't know that the card was actually on the bottom of the deck and you have actually cut it to the center of the deck. So that's how you actually do this card color changing move. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing color changing card trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Cardini. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.